So welcome again to J Fashion Academic, and today I will be showing you how to sew this straight skirt, this pencil short skirt. So this is the back piece, this is the back piece, and this is the front piece. So you see, this is the front, this is the back. So first I'm going to fold it down, because I'm not using a lining. I will not be using a lining. I'm going to fold it. After folding like this, you still fold it again. Fold it. I'm going to sew it all through. Pick the down part. I also try it also. The same thing. So again, this one I'm going to sew it again. I'm not going to use lining. I'll cut it. The excess. So this is the back piece. I've already folded again. You see, I've already folded. I'm not going to use lining. And also this is the back. This is the back. So the next thing I'm going to use, I'm going to join the back. First, I'm going to sew my dart line. So for this dart, I will be using 4 inches. Also the other side, the same 4 inches. This is my dart, and this is also my dart. So the next, I'm going to put my material like this. Mind you, this one here, this is the inside, the wrong side. I'm going to, this is the zip that we'll be using. You see? So I will mark it like this. You see, this is the end of the zip. So you are not going to mark it here. You are going to shift it a little bit up. You're going to mark. And you are not going to sew from here. You are going to sew from that marking that you did down. For the slit that I will be using here, I will be marking 5 inches. I'll be marking 5 inches. That's for the down slit. This is the slit, and this one here is for the zip. So here I will be putting my zip. You see, you are going to turn it, not like this. You're going to turn it like this. Make sure the zip it's in the middle of that line. we need. Then we're going to sew. Make sure you sew it straight. Turn the other side again. See how you're going to, this is how you insert your zip. You're going to take your time and do it gradually. So the zip already, you see, this is the zip, and this is for my slit. So from here I'm going to sew this. I will close it after making my measurement before I will use it. I'll close the slit. Next thing I will be putting the front is well arranged. So now the measurement we'll be using here, the waist is 24 inches. Divide by 4 is 6 inches. 6 inches. So here, from the middle of the zip, you see, that's where your tape will start. Mark your 6 inches. Your hip measurement, mind you are using 10. Mark, open it. Your hip measurement is 28. 28 divided by 4 is what? 7. Let's be sure about it. It's 7, 14. You see, this is your 28. So it's 7. And the down part, I also mark my 6. Connect the line. Connect the line all together. Then I'll first double stitch, then you sew. You are done. You cut excess. So this one here, going to mark your 6 here. From here, mind you is 6, so from here to here another 6, that's 12. Then going to mark from here, indicate my 10. This is my 10. So place my tape. The hip is 28, that's 14. Then here 6, that's 12, the down part. Then I'm going to draw a line and connect the measurements. After that, I'm going to fold the waist with the same material. So here I'll mark 2.5, 2.5, 2.5 all through. I'm going to put the waistband. I'm going to look carefully. to sew it all through. I'm sewing at the upper part, that's the waistline. I don't want it to look rough. I will cut the excess. After that, then I will turn the material inside like this. Then I'm going to sew at the tip inside. Meaning this line that I saw already, I'm going to follow it again and sew it all through. Sewing the waist. So now, so this is a skirt, so straight short skirt. I made very easy. I'm going to turn it. As you can see, this is a straight skirt. So here I'm going to open the split. So you see, so this is a skirt. It's straight skirt. You can see it. This is straight skirt. The slit, this is the slit. So if you find this video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, drop your question. I will be glad to receive your messages. So I remain J Fashion Academy. So thank you so much for having my time, and see you next. I love you guys. Thank you so much.